Hello and welcome back again, my friend, in another video of Bitcoin price prediction. And our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it's still where we left it yesterday. Still here orange. As I tell it to you, over here you need to buy. When it's going to come here to the overbought area, at the time when you need to take some profit, I think it's going to come here at that level of 27, okay? Because that one here is the previous low, previous zone, or anything. The names doesn't matter. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also you're putting a new video. So go ahead and do it. You done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, in another video of Bitcoin price prediction. Now, as you see, my friend, we are here in the daily chart, and as you see here, that candle, the one here of last night when it closed as I tell it to you, indecision candle. It's when there is no decision there. It's still a war there between buyers and sellers. And now here today, the price, it pushed up till here, till that level here. Now it started retracing back. As you see it, it's still sellers got more power here. So let's see how is the day is going to finish it. And another thing, as I tell it to you before, that zone of us here, it's still holding. So us here, we still holding that zone. There is people that still fighting in that zone. They don't want the price to fall down more. Everything is too clear. And here in the volume, as you see it, my friend, it came the buyers a little bit, but not that much. They haven't pushed the volume to push up in that moving average here, as you see it. Everything is too clear, my friend. And another thing, our trend is still stronger. It hasn't been broken yet. And let's see our indicator, what it's giving us, my friend. And our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it's still where we left it yesterday. Still here orange. As I tell it to you, over here you need to buy. When it's going to come here to the overbought area, at the time when you need to take some profit, I think it's going to come here at that level of 27, okay? Because that one here is the previous low, previous zone, or anything. The names doesn't matter. So that zone is very stronger than 28k. Let's wait and see what's going to happen there. But now also we still here at 23k. We haven't broke that zone here of 24k. That one here is a stronger zone. So let's wait and see what's going to happen. But me, I'm sure it's going to break it as some possible, my friend. That just a little bit retracement. Then after that, it's going to go upward, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture, my friend. So that's it for the daily Bitcoin price prediction, my friend. Let's go lower to the 4 hours to show you what is it there, my friend. Here we are, my friend, in the 4 hours. And in the 4 hours, as you see here in that place, what the price giving you there. Let me zoom it a little bit for the price to be more clear to you. Like that. As you see, it's become here, buyers, they push in here, that green ones. Then it came that red candle, the one here in the volume. It spiked high in all those ones. And it left for it 33 minutes, my friend, to finish, as you see it. And another thing here, very important, what that candle giving you here. That candle giving you here, an inside bar, my friend, as you see it. Or an engulfing candle, or name it anything you want, as it's being here in that low here, as you see it. Then the one, that green one here is breaking, so it's being here, it's changing the trend. Now here, there is a red candle, so the sellers, they came back powerful now. And another thing, what we used to have yesterday here, we used to have here, that channel, my friend. We make it from here to here, like that. Then we draw it like that, and we extend it like that. As you see here, that our channel, my friend, here it's being broken, but that red one, it came inside. So that one is a fake breakout, but not yet confirmed. You need to wait in that 4-hour candle to finish. Then after that, you know if it's been a real breakout or a fake breakout, my friend. As you see it here, let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see it here, my friend, here, it's being broken here. Then that red one here, it came inside, as you see it. But it's still for 31 minutes. And the price here, it's showing here a rejection from there. So if that 4-hour candle close above that channel here, you need to have here, as you see it here, that zone here or that high here, that you need to be broken by another candle to come like that, and to break that one up. So like that is going to confirm for you that channel is being broken, my friend. And when it's being broken, you calculating from here to the top of the channel like that. And I show you all those things before, but let's back it again. Then you click control like that. Then you're going to put the target of you here, as I told you before, here at that 27K, as you see it, my friend. Everything is too clear. It's going to be here at the 4-hour at that price here, as you see it, where it's been retraced before. That is going to be the target, but not yet being broken, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture, my friend. But till now, my friend, it haven't been broken yet. So be aware of all those things, my friend. And another thing here, why that price is pushing up, my friend. If you see here down in the volume here to that place, and here, because that one, here that red one, where it's been here. So you came like that, and you draw in here a line like that. So that one, it's been a divergence, my friend, here in the volume. That will pushing that price to go up all that much. Everything is too clear. You get it? Look at it. No indicator, no nothing. There is no lies, no fibs, no rubbish, no nothing, my friend. And another thing, and I show you the things before, to make that channel for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. And another thing, we bring that fibble, I show you the one before, but let's back it. We bring it from here, from that level here, to the top here, and we will see where is the level between 50 and 61, 0.50 and 0.61, my friend. Then you draw it like that. You draw, because down is an uptrend, you draw from down till up, my friend, like that. So like that, my friend, as you see it. So where is the level of 0.51 is here. 0.61 is here, my friend. In front of you, everything. And you came there. You draw in a zone like that in that level, my friend. Here. And as you see the price, what it did there exactly, my friend. It retraced upward. Let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see it, my friend, from that level here of 50 and that one here 60, the price it touched there, here by that candle, and now it went upward, my friend. And that candle here, as you see it, as we're talking, and it's still rejection upward, my friend. I think that one is a change for the trend, and that one it will go upward, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture? If everything is very clear, my friend, and you understand everything, just write it down in a comment. Let us to know you are with us till now. You done it? Please smash that like button with you when you are coming back to watch the video, my friend. So, as you see, my friend, our indicator here, still here in the orange, hasn't come yet down to the oversold area. So we don't know what's going to happen. Maybe from here it's going to fall down. Maybe from there it will not fall down. It will go upward because in the daily it's being here down. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture now. So let's moving down to 1 hour to show you more, my friend. Here we are, my friend, in the 1 hour Bitcoin price prediction. And if you remember what else we used to have here in 1 hour. By the way, if you don't know what else we're talking about, go back to the previous videos and watch them. All those things we explained it in the previous videos, my friend. We used to have here in 1 hour a trend line like that, if you remember it, my friend. Now, as you see it, my friend, it's been the trend line broken here. As you see it, let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see, my friend, here, in that zone, here, the trend line is being broken in 1 hour. The price, it came upward till here, till that place. Then now, it came back and touching here the trend line. So there is nothing yet confirmed, my friend. When we are going to know that trend line is being broken, when the price it will come and break for you that last high. So it needs the price to give you higher high for you to be confirmed the trend is being broken. And another thing here, if you see here, the buyers they getting reduced the size of them, and it came here those red ones, the sellers, but there is no power for sellers. The only candle that came with power for sellers is that one. That candle it came with big power. Then the buyers they came back again here because the buyers they always buying from levels here. They buy from that level here, but there is nothing yet confirmed. And as you see here in that level here, my friend, here that zone here it's still holding and powerful, my friend. That one here, and I show you that one before. Everything is too clear, my friend, and I zoom it out like that to show you more, my friend. As I told you, my friend, that zone here, that one, it's still holding, so it hasn't been broken yet. And I told you before, as we got here a triangle, my friend. Now the triangle, my friend, it's become more clear as you see it from here till here, as you see it, my friend. So from that zone here to that one here, and from that one here to here, also we have a triangle, my friend. Let's see if it's being broken or not. That how we trade with those things, my friend. Sometimes they give you fake breakouts and sometimes they're working, but they're working better than indicators because indicators, majority of them, they are lagging and they repent themselves. So if you want to learn to trade by price action. By the way, my friend, if you don't know what else we're talking about, go down to the first comment, my friend. There is a 85% couple link to our highly recommended course. The course is not expensive, my friend. The course is hosted in Udemy and it costs only $200. But if you're using the link down, it's going to cost you only $13, my friend, or $13 US. I think it's the price of a cup of coffee, depending where you are. Here in Europe, it's only the price of a cup of coffee, my friend, because the price of a cup of coffee, my friend, it equal here in Europe 10 euros, or here in UK 10 pounds. So it's nothing, my friend. The information you're going to get in that course is highly and good quality knowledge. Is better than millions of courses. You find them online on those bigger channels. They sell it to you by 1,000 or 2,000. Some courses, let me be honest with you, some courses they sell it to you by madness prices, 20k on that madness, and the majority of them, they are garbage, my friend. They don't worth even £1 because majority of them, they are built on indicators. Some of them, they show you how to buy because of stochastic or RSI. Those things, you can find it everywhere in YouTube. And those things, they don't work, my friend. If you want to learn how to work with price action, that's the right information, my friend. That course, my friend, is going to teach you anything you want in the technical analysis. How to draw trend lines, how to draw support resistance, how to draw supply and demand zones, how to read candlesticks, everything in that course. By the way, it's up to you, my friend. I think everything is too clear, my friend. So, to calculating that one, as I told it to you before, you bring it here. Now it's breaking. You make it like that. Stop loss of you, it needs to be down here. And the target of you, it needs to be here, as you see it, my friend, at 25k. If it came back down and breaking down, stop loss of you, it needs to be upward here. And take profit, it needs to be here at that 20k level. But till now, there is nothing confirmed yet, my friend. As I told you, it's still 19 minutes for the candle. So it's still rejecting from the top of the triangle here. But everything about the 4-hour candle, as I showed you before, and that level here. Don't enter only the price if it's breaking here, my friend. It needs the price to come a candle and to break and to close above that level here, my friend. If it hasn't closed above it, don't enter long yet. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. And another thing here. Look at it. What you see here, my friend. Here in the volume and here in the chart, my friend. What you see in here. You see a divergence, my friend. In front of you there. If you see here from that red candle, that one. And here from that green candle, that one. What it's looking to you, my friend. It's looking to you that a divergence, my friend. The price In the chart, it's been trying to give you high, high. In the volume, it give you low, low, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture? So, that's it for today, my friend. See you when the Bitcoin daily candle finishes. I'm going to come to you with another Bitcoin price prediction, my friend. So, bye for now, my friend.